Following with CMS, we will now create a file type. Similarly to a trait, a file type has a name, display name, and attributes. In this case, we have an attribute with name classification. Same for the display name, a string, and a validator. In this specific case, I've created a validator that should only be triggered upon creation. For the purpose of this tutorial, I created an additional validator, update, where I'm using it to tell CMS to be triggered whenever an update is done. I created another validator, a regular expression validator, upon creation, which follows the same attribute, trigger upon update. We also have a department name, display name, which is a searchable type of type string. And scrolling down, we have effective date, review date, status, and SOP number. So let's fire this request and we'll see what we get. As a response, a created file in the system called SOP type. And this is how you create a file type on CMS.